Google has said that coding is one of the top 5 essential life skills of the 21st century. Do you have the vision to make your child future ready with a simple, structured, internationally certified, unique curriculum focused on boosting their confidence, creativity, critical thinking, communication, and collaboration skills? To the consistent guidance from an expert trainer who will genuinely measure the progress of your child? We welcome you to DIYA Do It Yourself Academy. I would like to share with you the success story of our student Reed, who has used his learnings from our online coding classes that taught him animation and coding to create an awareness campaign during this pandemic, and that project has been recognized by Dr. Kiran Bedi, the first female Indian Police Service officer and the current Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry. Would you like your child to have such an opportunity to experience coding the fun way and understand how he or she can benefit from it? We invite you to a complimentary demo session.
Learning a new thing in this class, a different experience for me, and I have a nice teacher in this class.
It was very nice. It really helped.